Join us as we explore the rhythmic process of crafting the perfect mayonnaise. From these gleaming vats to the careful hands of our chefs, quality is always guaranteed. In front of you is a jar of mayonnaise. Have you ever imagined a delicious salad mixed with this rich and creamy sauce?
With its mild tanginess and smooth texture, mayonnaise is a familiar condiment that almost everyone knows.
But have you ever wondered how this special sauce is made?
Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of mayonnaise production. Get ready to embark on a journey to uncover the secrets behind this beloved sauce. From ingredient selection to the production process. Eggs, oil, and a touch of magic. All come together to create the distinctive flavor you love. So, what's the secret to making a perfect batch of mayonnaise? Let's explore each ingredient and step of the process to better understand how this exquisite condiment comes to life. The unique flavor of this sauce quickly won over customers, as more and more people began asking if they could buy the mayonnaise separately.
His wife, known for her excellent cooking skills, created delicious salads mixed with homemade mayonnaise.
The unique flavor of this sauce quickly won over customers, as more and more people began asking if they could buy the mayonnaise separately. The Hellmann family decided to produce it in larger quantities. Before long, the sauce became so popular
That they had to package it in small wooden containers for easier distribution. While there are many different recipes,
mayonnaise always consists of two essential ingredients, eggs and oil. The process of making mayonnaise begins by blending egg yolks with oil, then adding vinegar, herbs, and seasonings to create its signature flavor. Each country has its own variation to suit local tastes. Notably, in Japan and South Korea, mayonnaise is more than just an ordinary sauce. It carries a distinct flavor that reflects the unique culinary preferences of each culture. Mayonnaise starts with eggs, specifically egg yolks, the key ingredient that creates its smooth, creamy texture thanks to natural emulsifiers. To ensure a high-quality egg supply, let's explore a 1-acre farm that houses around 20,000 hens. Every day, this farm produces approximately 18,000 eggs, ready for the production process. Hens typically lay eggs at dawn, and shortly after, the eggs are automatically collected through a conveyor system. Once they reach the sorting area, they are carefully placed onto large trays. Using vacuum suction technology, ensuring they are neatly arranged without breaking. Each tray holds about 150 eggs, and once the sorting process is complete, the trays are carefully stacked onto carts and transported directly to the factory. When the eggs arrive at the factory, they undergo a thorough cleaning process to ensure no contaminants are present during shell separation. First, they are washed with water to remove dirt and any surface impurities. Next, the eggs pass through an ultraviolet scanning area,
which eliminates harmful bacteria, while also speeding up the drying process.
To ensure the eggs are completely dry before the next stage, high-powered air nozzles blow away any remaining moisture, which uses light to detect and remove defective, spoiled, or abnormal eggs. This step is crucial because even a single bad egg could compromise an entire batch during production. Mayonnaise only uses egg yolks, so the first step in production is separating the yolks from the whites. To ensure efficiency and precision, a specialized egg separating machine is used. This machine not only separates the eggs flawlessly, but also prevents shell fragments from contaminating the ingredients. The egg separation process is fully automated. Each egg is placed into the system and cracked over a small funnel. At this point, the yolks and whites are separated, with the yolks collected in a designated tank for further processing. Remarkably, this machine can separate up to 100,000 yolks per hour, making the production process both fast and efficient. Once separated, the yolks are transported through a pipeline system and pass through filters to remove any remaining impurities. They are then sent to a heat exchanger to prepare for mayonnaise production. After an initial heat treatment, the yolks are pumped into a large storage tank, each with a capacity of 6 tons. To help the yolks blend smoothly with other ingredients, they are gently heated and mixed with salt and enzymes. After 4 hours, the enzymes are removed as they are no longer needed.
To extend the shelf life of the mayonnaise, the yolk mixture undergoes another heating process and is pasteurized to eliminate salmonella and other harmful bacteria.
At the same time, a suitable amount of sugar is added to stabilize the yolk structure.
Once this process is complete,
the yolk mixture is cooled to 39 degrees Fahrenheit to maintain its quality and prepare for the next stages of mayonnaise production. The second key ingredient is soybean oil, which is transported in large sealed tanks by the supplier and remains unopened until it arrives at the factory.
A pump transfers the oil into storage tanks for safekeeping.
When it's time to move to the mayonnaise production area, the egg yolks are divided into large containers, each capable of holding about 1 ton, equivalent to 50,000 yolks. However, mayonnaise is more than just egg yolks.
Other ingredients are carefully prepared to achieve its signature flavor. At this stage,
contributing to mayonnaise's distinct mild spiciness. Once the mixture reaches the desired temperature, water is pumped in to effectively absorb the mustard powder.
At the same time, salt and sugar are sifted through a vibrating screen to remove clumps, ensuring a perfectly smooth texture. Mixing paddles continuously operate to blend the ingredients evenly, achieving the highest level of uniformity. In the next step, the remaining water and other dry ingredients are gradually added, with continuous mixing to ensure perfect integration, to maintain the mayonnaise's stable consistency over time. A suitable amount of starch is also incorporated. The mixture is then gently heated, enhancing its creamy texture and rich flavor before entering the final refining stage. Afterward, the oil is carefully measured and slowly added to the mixture. This step is crucial because if the oil is introduced too quickly, or if the mixing process isn't strong enough, the emulsion could break, resulting in a watery or separated mayonnaise.
Achieving the perfect consistency requires maintaining the right balance. Too much oil can overpower the other flavors,
while too little oil prevents the mixture from reaching the desired creaminess. Additionally, temperature plays a critical role in the emulsification process, helping the mixture remain stable and uniform. Once the mayonnaise reaches its ideal emulsion state, vinegar is added to enhance the flavor and activate the homogenization process. One of the key factors in this stage is lecithin, a natural emulsifier found in egg yolks. Lecithin has unique properties that attract both water and oil, binding these two elements together. As the oil combines with the egg yolks, lecithin has unique properties that attract both water and oil, binding these two elements together. As the oil combines with the egg yolks, lecithin molecules surround the oil droplets, preventing them from separating and forming a stable mixture. This mechanism gives mayonnaise its signature creamy texture, while maintaining its ideal consistency without separating. This entire process is completed in just 3 minutes. In total, it takes approximately 1 hour to produce a batch of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise undergoes a rigorous quality control process to ensure consistency in flavor, texture, and nutritional composition. At regular intervals, product samples are taken and evaluated based on several key criteria, to guarantee that every batch meets the highest standards. If the product passes all quality tests, it officially moves to the packaging stage. The mayonnaise is poured into glass jars using an automated bottling system. A pump transfers the mayonnaise to the filling station, where pre-sterilized jars move along a conveyor belt. Each jar is filled with a precise amount of mayonnaise according to the set standard. After filling, the jars are sealed with twist-off metal lids, preserving the product's freshness and preventing any tampering. After leaving the factory, each jar contains exactly 24 ounces of mayonnaise, and the filling process takes less than a second per jar. Once sealed, the jars move through the labeling system, completing the packaging process. After all steps are finalized, additionally, thanks to modern customizable production lines, mayonnaise is packaged in various formats to meet different consumer needs. As you can see, this production line is filling mayonnaise into small square containers, similar to convenient mini butter packs. These small containers are not only easy to use but also fit neatly in the refrigerator, making meal preparation even more convenient. For everyday cooking. Welcome to the heart of the factory. Our state-of-the-art machinery seals every container with precision. See how the lids are state. The automated system expertly groups and aligns the finished consumer products for boxing. Additionally, at this factory, mayonnaise is also packaged into single-use sachets, providing convenience for restaurants and food service businesses. A multifunctional packaging machine arranges the sachets in rows, precisely measuring 0.4 ounces of mayonnaise per packet before automatically sealing and cutting each one. These mayonnaise sachets, then distributed to pre-made sandwich suppliers and fast food chains, allowing customers to easily add mayonnaise to their meals quickly and conveniently. Mayonnaise can also be packaged in small plastic bottles for consumer convenience. In this process, each bottle is precisely filled with a measured amount of mayonnaise
through pre-calibrated filling nozzles, ensuring it is not overfilled to prevent excessive pressure on the bottle.
The bottles are then tightly sealed to keep the product fresh and safe. One interesting feature of this bottle design is that it does not have the flashy promotional labels typically found on other products. Instead, the plastic bottle has a minimalist design,
with only the essential product information printed at the bottom. This simple, yet functional approach
ensures that consumers receive all the necessary details while maintaining a clean and understated aesthetic. So, the next time you enjoy a rich, creamy sandwich or a perfectly blended salad, remember the meticulous effort and craftsmanship behind every jar of mayonnaise. From carefully selected eggs and the delicate emulsification process to rigorous quality control, every step contributes to creating the familiar sauce you love. Stay curious and continue exploring the fascinating stories behind everyday products. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the flavors and production process of mayonnaise. We hope you found these insights about this creamy, delicious sauce both interesting and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with fellow food lovers. Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on more exciting content. Have a fantastic day.